Hello friends. Application of the technology in today's world has made so many tasks easier and quicker. Right now, we are carrying out a massive vaccination drive in order to immunize our society against this coronavirus. But the reach of this vaccine to the each and every corner of the country is very much important. There are so many places where it is difficult to reach the vaccine, such as the hilly areas. So, to vaccinate the population living in such areas or other normal areas too, we can use the technology. Reason behind why I am discussing this topic is because recently Ministry of the Civil Aviation and Directorate General of the Civil Aviation have permitted the conditional exemption to the government of Telangana for conducting the beyond visual line of sight drone flights for delivery of the vaccines. So friends, my name is Ajit Pawar and today I am going to talk about this topic. In this video, I will discuss with you the highlights of this initiative. Then we will see the rules and regulations that the Telangana government have to follow while conducting the trials. After then, we will see the required specifications for these drones. And at the end, we will see what will be the benefits of this initiative. See friends, these exemptions have been granted from the Unmanned Aircraft System Rules 2021. Validity of these exemptions will be for 1 year from the date of approval of the standard operating procedure or until any further order, whichever is earlier. Last month, exemptions for carrying out the experiment-based delivery of the Covid-19 vaccine was given to the government of Telangana, but it was for the visual line of sight range drones. For successfully carrying out such a vaccine deliveries via drones, we need special application-based drones, where vaccines can be kept in specified conditions. Trials of these beyond visual line of sight drones are expected to complete by the end of May 2021. Such exemptions were also granted for the ICMR, that is the Indian Council of Medical Research, which was working in collaboration with the IIT Kanpur for conducting the trials on the COVID-19 vaccine delivery by using the drones. While permitting the trials, there are some rules and regulations that needs to be followed while carrying out experimental trials. First of all, maximum 400 feet height above the ground level is permitted for the drone operations. Further, maintaining the 15% of the energy reserve of the flight time is necessary. Further, the Telangana government have to post a SPC, that is a single point coordinator, at the Shamshabad ATC, that is the air traffic control. This is necessary for the good coordination with the ATC during trial flights. Permission has been given to carry out drone operations between the local sunrise and local sunset. It is expected to prevail visual meteorological conditions at the takeoff and landing sites. Drones should be used only in the weather conditions that are mentioned by the drone manufacturers. After completing the trials, Telangana government will submit a detailed proof of concept to the Ministry of the Civil Aviation and Directorate General of the Civil Aviation. Now, there are some other conditions which needs to be followed by the Telangana government while conducting these trials. First of all, standard operating procedure has to be developed for beyond visual line of sight operations. It also has to develop a standard operating procedure for smooth coordination with the air traffic control and Indian Air Force. Then, security clearance will have to take from the Ministry of the Home Affairs. Then, hazard identification and the risk management workshop needs to be conducted to ensure all risk will be mitigated to an permissible level of safety. Drone pilot must possess a valid certificate of training or he or she should have enough experience in drone operations. Clearance of the Indian Air Force and local administration will also have to be obtained. Now the drones which will be used for vaccine delivery trials need to fulfill following requirements. First of all, micro and small category rotary wing drones are allowed. Further, there should be a valid drone acknowledgement number. Then, drone should possess good endurance to carry out long range flights. Then, drone should be able to work in the adverse weather conditions. It should have the capability to transmit the identity and live trajectory information. Further, it should possess the barometric sensor on board. It should have the capability of automatic flight termination, return to home, and carrying out the geofencing. It should be able to carry out autonomous operations. Then, it should possess the 360-degree collision avoidance system. Then, it should be equipped with the detect and avoid system, which is used to detect and avoid manned as well as unmanned aircraft. Now, what would be the benefits of such an initiative? First of all, we can deliver the vaccines quickly to the areas which are difficult to reach, such as the hilly areas. Further, the social distancing is the key to win over this coronavirus pandemic. And by using the drones, we can minimize the exposure of the people to the infected persons. Further, cost of the transportation for these vaccines will be reduced significantly. Then, healthcare accessibility will be increased significantly. Then we can immunize the entire population in significantly shorter time period. This will further boost our medical supply chain system. So friends, this was all about the today's topic. If you found this video informative, then kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you soon with another topic.